Okay, a little chair yoga today. We're just gonna lift up our shoulders and drop them back down. Lift up the shoulders, drop them back down. And once more, lift up the shoulders and drop them back down. Allowing the right ear to drop down toward the shoulder, breathing into the side of the neck, rising the head back up, dropping the opposite ear down, and just allowing the shoulders to keep down and away from the ears. Rising the head back up, dropping the chin down towards the chest, and then rising the head back up. Taking the hands to the shoulders, bringing the elbows forward and back. Maybe integrating the breath here, so inhale, bringing the arms forward, elbows forward, exhale back. Inhale, elbows forward, exhale back. And once more, inhale forward, exhale back. Let's take a little twist. We're taking our left hand to the opposite leg and then gaze behind us. Maybe just come forward on your chair slightly, hand behind. And if the neck allows, following with the gaze, allowing the spine to be nice and lengthened, the back not arched, breathing up and down the spine, shoulders down and away from the ears and jaw release. Back to center, and then the right hand to the opposite leg, hand behind, following with the gaze, gently pressing into the hands and lengthening up through the spine so it's nice and long, belly drawn in, supporting the spine, and following with the gaze if that feels okay for you and your body. And then gently coming back to center. Interlocking the hands and reaching the hands forward, maybe tucking the chin in toward the chest, and then releasing down. Bring the hands together, bring the elbows together. Depending on your shoulders, you might have the hands, elbows closer to the chest. If you can, see if you can lift the elbows in alignment with the shoulders, as long as the shoulders are still down and away from the ears. And press the hands into one another, press the forearms into one another, and breathe. And try and keep the hands away from the head. So some people have a tendency to come here. See if you can bring them away. Good, and release down. And shaking out those shoulders. Hands behind the back, taking hold of the forearms, or the elbows, or the upper arms. So we're here. Keeping the shoulders down and away from the ears. Again, keeping the belly drawn in. Breathing. Good. And release. And then making fists, rotating out the wrists and in the opposite direction. And then making stars, beaks, claws, stars, beaks, claws, stars, beaks, and claws. Go stretch your fingers wide. And then stretching out one hand, bringing the fingertips back. And releasing on the other hand, stretching the hand out, the arm out, bringing the fingers back. And releasing, then rotating through the wrists. Once more, and let's give ourselves a little massage, tapping on our head like raindrops. Tap, 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 tap. And then massaging out our forehead, massaging our temples, the cheeks, the jaw. And maybe just tapping on our chest, making a little sound. Good, and releasing. And just taking a moment to notice how you feel. This is Sandhya signing out. Take care. Bye-bye.